Hello all Apigee lovers and all professionals who are working on Apigee X API management from Google Cloud. Here I wanted to share a handy tip towards API security, and before that I would like to share one thing that I'm not sure whether you already know or not. If you are into a proxy, like I am on a security lab proxy, which I am developing, by the way, for a ongoing development for a course on enterprise API management to be scheduled for probably by the end of November on Udemy. All right. So that thing that is often very helpful to know is that, there is a revision tab over here, revision drop down list. So it lists you all the revisions from one to the last revision that you have made. Now, what happened is that, this security lab proxy I have developed over several labs, several parts. And now I am into my last part for actual recording. And where I left with this security lab proxy in my last part, which is about mutual trust security with certificate store, that is with revision 14. Now, I need to actually record this to be shown to my students. So I need to go to a revision back in time. So I can do that very easily, just like your GitHub, where you can actually go back to any previous versions, revert to a previous version very easily. So that's what I am going to show in this video. So if you go back to your proxies, and this is the security lab proxy. If I go to the develop, so I now need to restore the revision 13. So I can straight away click the revision 13 and deploy. So this is now environment, the only environment that I'm working on in eval. And if I click on deploy, it will take a bit of a time and it will be deployed to the 13th version, which will be the starting point of recording this lecture. So I will just come back to you again. Now you can see that the security lab proxy revision 13 to eval has been deployed successfully. Now, but the main fact that I wanted to show you is that, if you can revert to any previous version in time, in terms of the revision, and deploy to that previous version, so that you can start from clean slate.